What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2019 Audi Q5. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located on the passenger side, up underneath the dash. So if we take a look up under here, the first thing we need to do is remove these two clips. You can see the first one right here, and these will just pull down if you get your finger on them like that and come off there pretty easily. And then if we come take a look on this side, same thing, we see that one right there. That'll just pull off of there. Just grab those, set those to the side so we don't lose them. And then after we get those two clips off of there, this whole foam piece will pull down like that. And once we get that foam piece off of there, taking a closer look, we see this white plastic piece. This is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's some tabs on it. You just kind of work your way around, pulling down. That. Once you get all those tabs unhooked, it will come down, and then we see our filter right here. So when you put your new filter in, make sure we're paying attention to these airflow arrows. See, the camera's not really picking it up. These are kind of worn on here. But when you have yours finally installed, you want your airflow arrows pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. So again, you can kind of see those there a little bit worn. So when the filter's installed, you want your arrows pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and put this all back together. So we'll grab our filter, and using your hand, you want to bend it so it's got just a little bit of a curve to it, so it can fit up in this compartment. Get that pushed up in there, and then we'll grab our access door. Make sure that's all the way clipped on. And then we'll put this foam piece back in place. And in the front here, you can see it'll kind of slip under the plastic. There's almost a little bit of a holder for it. So it'll push up in there like that. And again, on the front, you want it slid under these tabs in the front. Once you get that slid up where it needs to be, you can kind of feel where these pieces will fit up in here. Pop those in. Come over here, same thing, pop this in here. So get those popped in, make sure everything's tucked where it needs to be, and that's it. Not too difficult. The biggest issue is really just the access because you're kind of laying on your back looking up into there. But if you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.